Hello YouTube. Today I will be reviewing the MHL kit. It is a micro USB to HDMI 1080p that is for the Samsung Galaxy, HTC, LG Optimus, Sony Xperia, and many more MHL phones. At this making of this video, this is $10.79 on Amazon. Now let's open it up here. You can look at it. You guys can see all the cables here, connectors. There you go. And here are the cables. You can see these cables here. And you can see this one is the HDMI. You can see it. It is, you connect this to your phone. Connect it to this here. This one connects to a USB port. And then this connects to your HDMI port on your TV. And when you have this connected, you can show your movies, pictures, music, whatever you want from your phone directly to your TV. So if you don't have a phone that can stream to your TV, or you don't like the lag of your phone streaming to your TV, you can get this MHL connector for your phone. But first you have to check that your phone can support this cable. Before you buy it, make sure your phone can support this MHL kit for your phone. If it can, then hook it up to your TV. You know, watch your movies, you listen to your music, your pictures, whatever. Have it hooked up directly to your TV. Hardwired, so you don't have to worry about lag or anything. I use this. This works on my phone. I have a Samsung S7, and this works perfectly fine on my phone. But make sure you check that your phone is supported by this MHL kit before you purchase it. I can read off some of the ones it supports on this box here. It's marked on here on the box. On this box, the models it has on here, you guys probably can't see this. I'll read some of it off. LG Optimus, Sony Xperia, Asus Pad Phone, ZTE, Samsung Galaxy Note, HTC One, Samsung Galaxy, and the Ascend series, Sharp. Then it says many more supported on here. So it supports a lot of different phones, but just make sure that your phone is supported on here before you purchase this. But it's really good when you hook it up to your phone, you know, connect it to your HDMI and your cable. I use this, you know, streaming when I'm streaming like some of my apps that stream media, you know, and like movies and stuff. It's very good for that. So if you want something, you know, hook up to your phone with no lag and can connect it to your HD TV, I recommend this MHL kit. Just make sure it fits your phone and the model of phone you're using. And as always, thank you, YouTube.